Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a desktop icon missing. Let's fix it guys. The first solution, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run you just need to type app data. Click on OK. Select the view tab and select show and select hidden items. Check mark it, and after that go to local. You just need to scroll down. You can able to see the icon cache. You just need to right click on it and select delete it guys. After deleting it, close it off here. Go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. Scroll down to the bottom. Click on the Windows Explorer and select restart task. After doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution, you just need to right click on the app that you are trying to get back icon. You just need to right click on it and select properties. Select change icon option, and in here you can able to see the icon. Click on it and select OK and select apply and OK. If this solution doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution, you just open Chrome and search for the application name and type logo PNG. You just need to click on it and make sure you download the transparent one. Right click on it and select save image and select save. After downloading, you just need to open up a new tab and search for PNG to ICO and click on the site to convert the file. Select choose file and go to downloads and select the file and select open it. Select convert. After getting convert done, click on the download option and download the file guys. After getting download done, you just need to right click on the app you are trying to get back the icon and select properties. Select the change icon option and select browse. Go to downloads and select the icon over here and select open. And after selecting the icon, select OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Select continue. Select OK. Now this should be fixed your problem guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.